Let's mukbang guys with this pampan fish grilled. Yahoo! Let's eat together. Let's cut together with this Georgia. Yala yala. Come sit with me guys. Let's eat. Let's eat. Mukbang guys.
So yummy. Yummy, yummy. Alam niyo yun? Alam niyo yun? Yummy. Wala ibiyang. Magtinidor ka.
Hindi, nagkuha ako egg sauce and chili. Hindi ko dalit eh. Sarap. Sarap.
Sauce pa lang. Ulam na. Sauce pa lang. Ulam na. Diba? Balik-balik lang.
Salamat, Tiba Chef. Nawa. Lami.
Ako ning Georgia la.
Kakaon na po ba?
I'll be there whenever you want. I need somebody
Dali na, dali. Meron. Dali. Dali.
to see me.
Kaya kung ba lagi lang.
You're nobody, though I push you further. After you
Ati Hazel, oh. Dami pampano. Dali na, tayo.
I can feel those races in your heart, no one else can. Let me show you around, all that to say. I'll be right here, baby. You know it's sequence way.
Alam mo, kalimutan mo yung araw mo pag kumain ka nito. Araw?
Parang wala nga ang chili. King Blackfire.
Shoutout Kuya Herman. Kuya Herman Deligas. Kumakain ka ng Georgia? Georgia, Kuya Herman.
Hindi siya kumakain nun. Lumalapang lang.
Soya sili.
Mm.
Pampaganda. Kumain ka ng sili. Ayan eh. Nangangagat yung sili nila. Nangangagat yung labi ko.
Higog Beats Club.
Pag kumain ka ng sili, gaganda ka.
Gaganda daw. May pag-asa pa kaya Kuya Herman?
Sarap.
Broken other pieces.
Sili lang malakas.
Been lately focused on the things that didn't make no sense.
Sili lang malakas.
That growing up was never meant to be easy.
Nakakaiyak pala pag kumain ng sili.
Yeah, I got used to doing everything sideways. Didn't really care about how anyone felt.
Promise, nakakaiyak pag kumain ng sili. Try nyo.
Oh, what is lost ain't gone. No, you can't just let
Try nyo
go.
kumain ng sili.
Part of you
Iiyak
that
kayo.
will make you strong.
Tanongin mo pa kung enjoy.
Your flaws,
Serious.
I'm not gonna fight back.
Basulit.
Become
Pag kumain ka ng sili.
bruises where I came from, but I wouldn't change if I could restart. I ain't gonna hide these beautiful scars. I've been going
Shout out sa mga taga-team kape.
guess that is
Pagkatapos ng mukbang na to, magkakape ka. English yun.
I wouldn't change if I could restart. I ain't gonna hide
Kasi Turkish yun. Kailangan mag-order.
Arabic mo yung Turkish.
English how? Arabic guys. Sorry naman, be.
Parang magpapahilit ako sa kanin na to. Ganda si Red. Kasi yung iba dyan, yung iba dyan, naiiwan.
Bumalik naman.
Iba na sila. Makain ng ano doon.
Ang sarap.
Sarap. Iwan ng yes. Diba? Kasi yun lang ulit nagkaroon ng mukbang. Lilit ko na ako. Kanin. Push muna tayo po.
Ganito ang pagkain ng ulo ng isdang kampana, guys. Papakita ko sa inyo. Pagkakamay ako, diba? Kasi, yung laman.
Yeah, I've got bruises where I came from.
Maglalaway kayo.
I ain't gonna hide these beautiful scars.
Sarap.
Way too hard on myself. Guess that is the reason I've been feeling like hell. But I wouldn't change if I could restart. I ain't gonna hide these beautiful scars.
Ano? Ano nyo guys? Oh! Lapit na maubos.
Tapos, ito yung mata ng isda. Pinakain ko yan. Diba? Pinakain ko yan. Yan yung mata ng isda.
DJ Jordan. Lord Beats Club.
Sarap.
Basta nindot nga tuka. DJ
Sarap.
Wanna try to get you out, baby. Don't care if I sound crazy, but you never let me down.
Sino kumakain ng mata ng isda dyan?
When the sun's up, I'll stay. Still laying in your bed saying, oh, 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 oh.
Magkakamay ako.
This time on my head, might as well kiss a love dance, yeah. I could stay for life.
Kasi naniwala guys. Nagpapakit lang.
Walang kukontra sa ibiyang, ha?
It's just you and me and
Ini-enjoy ko yung pagkain ng isda ngayon kasi walang mag-uukot, eh, diba?
Kaya man.
say, baby, run your
Sarap.
I still wouldn't change me. It's
Kaya man.
stuck with you.
Ay, sarap bigyan ng ulan. Ayun, butak mo yung ako. Sarap. Ayan, pagkain ko ulan. Walang takot. Ayan, sige, bang, bang. Bang kaya kayo? Hindi ko nga siya sinulot. Pinagat ko nga siya eh. Hindi naman siya umagay.
DJ Jordan.
pa kayo, hindi sure.
I'ma get to know you better. Kinda hope you're here forever. Nobody on these
Hindi sure yan.
streets. If you told me that the world was ending, ain't no better way that I can spend it. Oh, 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 oh. Got all this time on my own.
Ano nangyari sa background music ko?
Pumipigil. Nahiya na ako guys kasi naubos ko na yung ulo.
DJ Jordan.
Nagpakit pa nga ano.
Not to care. I like the dimples on the corners of the smile that you wear. I like to bore the world, play no, but don't be scared.
Kahit ipakita mo pa Lola Evie ang pinagkainan ko ng ulo.
Nagsak na kasi yung wala.
Your jacket just so I could always be there. I love you for so long, sometimes it's hard to bear. But after all this time, I
Yan!
wouldn't say we said it couldn't be everywhere in there. The moment I was in forever and I can't pay you bills, but you're the one. I don't know how, but
Mix natin ang mukbang. Seafood. Dati guys, yung kamatis, favorite ni Lola Evie ang yan. Kahit green pa yan, yan parang natanggal yung bulaklak niya sa ano, sa puweta ng kamatis, sa puno. Kasi may tanim ng nanay ko. Magdala yan ng asin doon sa puno ng kamatis. Pipitasin niya yung mga maliit na kamatis at isaw-saw sa asin at kakainin. Kaya ngayon, ako na pagkakain naman.
DJ Jordan.
Hindi ko alam yun.
Maliit pa ako. Wala na pong gusto. Ang dami kong gusto. Sarap. Sarap. Sarap.
Pag kumakain ka guys, with feelings, yan. Pero busog kasi siya, diba?
Hindi talaga. Ubus talaga. To the maximum level.
Maximum level.
Sabi niya, pa-cute lang ngayon.